Hey guys, if y'all want to know where that line came from, this mask came from, it's come from a line called Formula 10.0.6. Pores Be Pure. Skin clarifying. This is a skin clarifying mud mask. So this is not like a regular, this is not like a peel off mask. This is the kind that you have to wash off your face. So if you're interested, go to the line, and this video is not sponsored. Thanks. Let you guys know how it looks. I got about 2 minutes. I'll let you guys know how it looks in a few minutes. Peace. This stuff is super chalky. It said leave it on for 10 or 15 minutes. I put it on at 10:30. And it is 10:38 now. I look like a damn fool. I look like a whole MF and ghost. I ain't even got it on the edges of my hair. My hairline, it don't matter. I don't even know I'm supposed to be talking because I don't want it to crack. I don't know if it's supposed to crack, but I read the directions. I hope it works. No, I did not have my glasses on when I did it. If anyone was asking, no, I did not. But it's all in my hair. That's okay. I'm natural in a way. It can wash out. I'm gonna let y'all know how this works after I wash it out. I'm washing it out. Washing it off at I'm watching out at 11:45. It's 11:39 now. So I ain't got that long. Peace. Hi guys, I'm back. After washing off the mud mask. My daughter in the background, Lord have mercy. Anyway, after washing off the mud mask off my face, it's supposed to, it's a clarifying mud mask, I'm gonna say. So I wanted to do that to get all the dirt and oils and everything out of my skin. And I ain't gonna say that my skin looks light or whatever, because this is my skin complexion, but it feels great. It's smooth and I like it. You know what I'm saying? Cause this I really can't crickets compare it to some other mask, because I've never used another mask. This is my first mask, but I have another one that I'm going to review for you guys, and it's by the same company, and so I'll be sharing that and reviewing that one for you guys. So have a great day. I'm just stuttering, Lord have mercy, Lord, because I'm kind of nervous. But anyways, y'all have a great day, and please like, subscribe, and share. Please subscribe, please, because if you subscribe, I give you more information, you know, that I can share with you all. And if you share with me, share my stuff, I can share with you all. Sharing is caring. Peace out. D35 Shade 90 signing out. Please like, subscribe, and please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Bye.